G'day lawnies, another weekend, get your lawn on. Last 2 days were like 47 degrees. These are the pavers that I'm going to be using. So I got them from Mitre 10 here locally. That's going to form the basis of my shed. Look, I've been asked, am I going to be doing a front yard as well? I will be. These trees up here put it in shade most of the day, so I'm going to have to think about my choice of lawn here. I don't think Santa Ana, or a couch that needs a lot of sun anyway, will be suitable. It's really arid here in Port Augusta. It's desert, so it's going to be something that has shade most of the day, but can get to extremely warm temperatures. Let us know in the comments what you think I should be putting in there and what you want to see. The back, well, that gets sun most of the time. I don't have any high trees, but I do have to think about the high fence. See, the house next to us is actually a fair bit higher than what we are. Look, I had a really frustrating week at work, and it really sucked the life out of me, and I reckon the 47 degrees sucked the life out of me, so I didn't get much done this week, but thankfully this weekend's a bit cooler and I can get stuck right into it. Thankfully this weekend is a lovely 32 and 33 degrees. It was so hot the other day when I cut this down that I didn't do any more than that. What I'm going to have to do is get this to the dump. After that, that's when I will start looking at what area I do have and having a look at how my irrigation setup's going to be. You ever have those days where you feel like you've just bitten off way too much than you can chew? Well, I'm having one of those moments, and I need lots and lots of trailer loads to get this down to the dump. But yeah, you just got to keep pushing on. Landscaping is not easy. I'm going to need a mattock and something to dig that tree out as well. Mitre 10 Better Home Supplies here at Port Augusta is my locals. Good little place this.
Oh, incorrect pin.
Yeah, sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, what am I doing?
Right, third time lucky.
Third time lucky indeed. Yay! It's really opened up this area quite a lot, I must say. Got some new tools. Got this big pole, which I think I'm going to need. Got a mattock. Sorry I couldn't give you the vision of what we did to get the big tree out the back. The video wasn't recording at the time, we thought it was. So what I did with those big roots is that I just used the chainsaw to cut them. Well, almost there. Had to get to it with the chainsaw. Come here and have a look at this. Look how big this root is. Almost as thick as the trunk. It's crazy.
Yeah, just give us a minute, Heidi. You might need to just get the chainsaw and give that a little...
Rubbish.
Brute strength.
Brute strength wins the day. Hey, hey! Wow, what a job. Look at that root. It's just a monster. Well, we got that one out, and that's really opened up that area. Now I'm working at getting this one out. Just chopping it up bit by bit and taking it away, and once that's gone, that'll really open up the area nicely, I reckon.
Get your load on!
Got sort of stuck into this, and that's about as far as I got. The backyard here is still a big mess, so what am I planning to do with this yard? Well, I'm going to be planning to put grass down, but you know, I'm going to need a bobcat. So I've got one of them coming today, and to have a look, give us a quote. But look, the plan is to have the shed there. Down this way I'll have some pavers, just so I've got a bit of an area to work on. The lawn will go right to the back fence there. All this little gravel that you can see here, that'll all be scooped up, and this area will be cleaned up, and I'll have grass probably right to the edge of the fence line there. I've obviously still got to work into the garden beds, and you know, get rid of that and get rid of a few other things. We're going to clean up our yuccas, and look, it's really easy to clean up a yucca. Just looked up on YouTube, and all you do is just pull them off like that, and that's as easy as. This one's a pretty good one, so you just grab them and pull it off. It's easy as that. Once we get to the other ones, I reckon that'll look really neat once we get into the other plants. But look, yeah, the next thing is to get the bobcat in here, get all the stones out the way, see what we've got underneath. I'm pretty sure it's sandy soil all the way around. We'll start works on the shed. The shed hasn't arrived yet, but I'm expecting that this week, and yeah, next weekend we should be able to get quite a lot more done. Look, it's the 2nd of January. I've got a day off, which is nice. So I've been catching up on the messages and everything. Look, 2019 is just going to be a huge year for Lawnporn. Lots of work in the background, but look, I'm just really excited to get this lawn in. I'm excited to be helping my school this year with their lawn areas and improving those and sharing it all on the channel. So yeah, it's yeah, landscaping's a big job. It's just annoying that everything is just, yeah, messy and dirty, and yeah, I'm just waiting on someone to be available with a bobcat to get in here and clean it all up for me. So once that shed's in, then I'll look at my area, and I will measure up and share with all of you that side of things. And yeah, so sorry my first 2 videos aren't that exciting, but I reckon seeing the transformation of this into lawn is going to be something that everybody's really going to get a lot from. And obviously once the lawn's installed, looking after it, getting into it, and getting back on with the programs and everything like that, I think it'll be something that you know, a lot of people will be excited about and learn a lot from. Look, thanks for the support. 2018, 2019 is going to be a ripper year for us. There's lots happening. Nearly 79,000 people now. It's just incredible. The page has been going up by about 1,000 a week for the last few weeks. About 600 odd this week, but certainly it's a lot of people, and I definitely just want to make this the best page and best lawn community that I can. So thanks for watching the videos, and get your lawn on.